How are you doing?
I'm doing very good.
I just want to check if you need anything today, something to eat or something to wear.
Maybe like blankets or like a beanie or some kind of clothes. It's such a winter.
Your size?
It's double X. Thank you, Bunyag. Thank you very much.
Here's the jacket. It's the waterproof one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. How old are you?
58.
58.
58, old man.
You live in Minnesota?
Yeah. You too?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, alright man. Bye. Bye. Don't be sad. God bless you. God bless you.
Come on, Lee.